Hi friends, welcome to PharmaBall once again. Today we'll discuss about the top 10 drugs for sales in 2021. So there are a lot to know in the world of pharma. So let's go. The first in the list is Comirnaty, that is the COVID-19 vaccines, mRNA, and I believe that a lot of people are there in this world because of this vaccine. And it is from Pfizer, and the sales stands at 36.8 billion. That is a huge number. And if you see the total revenue of Pfizer, this vaccine itself like close to 40 to 50% of total revenue. So this drug got a major boost in October when the FDA endorsed for 18 kids between age to 5 to 11. And this decision immediately unlocked the door to a population of some 28 million children in the US. And with the fourth vaccine, that's the booster dose with this drug, I believe that it will be in the top, at least top two in the next year also. So it has moved to second position from top this year. So this drug is generally being approved for various type of immunological disorders, be it arthritis. We have inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn and ulcerative colitis. We have uveitis, etc. And it has been sales is around 20.7 billion. That is huge number. However, European biosimilars launched in 2018 and it has been gaining since and then causing a decreased sales of this drug, this Humira. Humira also is facing a growing number of US biosimilar rivals. So under average settlements with biosimilar players, the rivals will launch, believed to be launched in a staggered manner throughout the year, starting with Amgen in late January next year. So Moderna Vaccine Spikevax stands at number three. So this company as a whole was little known outside of the biopharma world, but early into the crisis, the company and the federal researchers leaped toward the front of the pack in the COVID-19 vaccine development race. So after quickly pushing through clinical studies, the team won an FDA authorization in December 2020, and rest is the history for this company. In number four, the key today is there, and that is pembrolizumab, and it's from the Merck company in US. Total sales stands at 17.2 billion. If you ask me what are the indication of pembrolizumab, it is many. Last time I have read, it was like 18 in number. I believe that it has crossed that also. So in 2021, there is this drug snagged FDA approvals for use in HER2 positive gastric cancer in combination with Eisai partner Lenvima in newly diagnosed advanced kidney cancer. So there's a lot of, you can say, lot of therapeutic areas that is focusing on, and it will still do wonders in the coming years. Eliquis Epixaban is still there in the top 10, and believe me, the drug has been being approved in early in 2013. So basically, the partners of both Bristol Myers Squibb and Pfizer, they team up on Eliquis way back in 2007. So under the collaboration, the company jointly developed and commercialized the drug, which BMS originally discovered. So the total sales of this molecule is 16.73 billion, and it's believed to be the number one drug that is choice for the cardiologists for type of non-valvular atrial fibrillations, DVT, as well as for pulmonary embolism. So it is an oral drug. That's why I believe that it's in the number six, and especially in cancer, most of the drugs are like IV. We have a lot of side effects, and if you have an oral tablet like lenalidomide, it do wonders. And efficacy-wise, also it's really great. However, the threat to Revlimid's megabloster sales base emerged across the Atlantic in February when Sandoz deployed its generic versions of the med in 19 countries. So there are a lot of other generic drugs because it's a small molecule, it is easier to manufacture by the generic companies. So ultimately, it will have some tough challenges in the coming years. The total sales of this molecule is 12.8 billion. So next drug is ibrutinib in number seven. So the brand name is Imbruvica and it's being approved for various type of cancers as well as in chronic graft versus host disease. So basically, Pharmacyclics and Janssen developed the drug in collaborations and co-marketed the therapy. However, AbbVie picked up its portion of Imbruvica rights in its 21 billion buyout of Pharmacyclics in 2015. So if you want to see further about the data of 2021, FB reported around 5.4 billion in Imbruvica sales, whereas Janssen posted around 4.37 billion in worldwide Imbruvica sales last year. And I believe that the sales will increase for this drug in the coming years. Stelara ustekinumab is in number 8. It is also from Janssen. And it's believed that it's Janssen's one of the most prized possession because it is being approved way back in 2009. And it represents around 10% of the healthcare conglomerate of total revenues of Janssen. So it is being approved for plaque psoriasis, psoriatic arthritis, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis. Now there was a trial for atopic dermatitis also for this ustekinumab, but due to some reasons from safety reason it has been uh, kept on hold by the FDA in that case. That's why in 2021 it could have been out within 7-6 position if that approval was there from FDA. But the worry factor of fact about this drug is that the patent will expire in 2023, so many generics may come into the picture and it will decrease the sales of Stelara. In number 9, we have aflibercept, that is the brand name is Eylea, so this is being approved in wet AMD, diabetic macular edema, diabetic retinopathy, and macular edema. This is being co-marketed by Bayer as well as Regeneron. They are leading the market in this type of disease, but with Ross, very small Ferricimab, FDA approval this year, as well as Novartis, Beovu, are the other competitors approved in the last few years. So they have a lot of tough competitions in this small market. So with rising resistance approved by the FDA in 2018, Victor has quickly become the most successful HIV therapy worldwide. It contains the antiretroviral tenofovir alafenamide and improved formulation of tenofovir disoproxil fumarate, which are included in the older mats. So it's really a boon to the HIV affected people. You can see the other 10 drugs in the top 20, starting with nivolumab, which is a PD-1 blocker, just like Keytruda pembrolizumab. And it is also have multiple FDA approval in a lot of different types of cancers. And 12th position we have rivaroxaban. Again, we have a similar congeneric factor 10A agonist, that is apixaban on 5th position. Now rivaroxaban is on 12th position. On 13th position is a COVID-19 antibody. We have casirivimab and imdevimab. Together, it is the company is Ross and Regeneron. And 14th position, we have the only anti-diabetic drug in the top 20, that is dulaglutide from Eli Lilly. On 15th position, we have the blockbusters drug recently approved in the last I think 2016, and it is being approved for the multiple myeloma. On 16, we have the drug for cystic fibrosis, which is a rare drug. 17, we have Gardasil 9 vaccines from Merck, and it's for the human papilloma virus. This is the only vaccine apart from the COVID-19. On 18th position, we have the dupilumab. This is the leader in this category for atopic dermatitis. And we have on 19 is another drug, remdesivir, for COVID-19 vaccines. And on the last, we have palbociclib from Pfizer. So that is for the breast carcinoma. So number 1 was Pfizer, and number 20 here is also Pfizer. So that's it for today, and hope you have liked the presentation. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for further updates. Thank you.